So we are going to tutorial video to show how to buy stocks using the ThinkorSwim platform of Ameritrade for iPad. And I'm here trading on my paper account just for demo purposes. Suppose that we have received a boost from Money Grande that says bought to open Tesla TSLA at 961. So to buy and follow that boost in the menu that is in the lower part of the screen, we go to watch list. We click there and we go to symbol search in the box in the upper right corner, and we type TSLA Tesla. We click on Tesla, and right now the spot is 962, and we're gonna buy shares. So we go to the green box, we click there, and it says that 100 shares is going to cost me $96,000. My positions, let's suppose that my positions run around $2,000, so I should be buying around 2 shares. So I stand on that box in this type of calculator that comes to the right side. I erase and I typed 2. Gives me $1,900, and I say that's about right. That block, it's open, limit order quantity 2 I'm buying is green, so all looks correct. I'm also saying exchange is best, and TIF date order, those are very important parameters. So everything's ready. I hit paper trade. In paper trade, I very fast confirmed that I'm buying 2 Tesla at 963. It's a limit order to open. I'm doing a buy to open, and that sounds correct. And I hit paper trade. Hit close, and here it tells me which orders are working and which are filled. Filled is very important. That's how I know that my order got filled. I bought 2 Tesla at 960.38, and the order is filled. How else do I confirm? I go this menu to positions, and I can see that I have a position in Tesla at 961, and that I'm already making $2 off of that, or 0.13%. That is how you buy stocks in the ThinkorSwim platform of Ameritrade using an iPad. Thank you very much.